Welcome! Today, we'll guide you on how to unlike multiple posts you've liked on Instagram using a PC with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open your Instagram account on your PC to access your profile and activities. Step 2. At the bottom left corner of the screen, click on the More icon or the three dots to reveal additional options. Step 3. Click on Your Activity from the menu to view a summary of your interactions on Instagram. Step 4. Navigate to the Interactions section and specifically the Likes section to find the posts you have liked. Click on Select to proceed. Step 5. Select the posts you want to unlike by checking the boxes next to each post. Step 6. Once you have selected the posts, tap on Unlike and confirm the action to remove your like from those posts. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and unlike multiple posts you've liked on Instagram using your PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to unlike multiple posts on Instagram via PC. Implement these steps to maintain control over your likes and interactions on the platform. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative guides and tutorials on optimizing your social media experience. Stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your interactions on Instagram.